In order to get the most information possible out of the Johns Hopkins Interactive COVID-19 dashboard, you first want to start on the home page, which is the world map here. On the left-hand side, you can see the total number of confirmed cases around the world, which is listed in descending order. On the right-hand side, you have the total number of deaths, and if you click on the Recovered tab, it gives you the total number of people who have recovered from COVID-19, again in descending order. Also on the right-hand side, you have the total number of people who have been tested in the United States, and if you scroll down, you can get further information. You can also click around on all these other tabs that give you more data points that they have made available. But in order to see a more localized view of what's happening here in Yavapai County, we first want to start by clicking on the U.S. map. Let's take a closer look. This first gives us the statistics that are unique to the United States. We have a total number of confirmed cases as of April 15th, 2020 of over 600,000, and it goes again in descending order on the left-hand side. We have the total number of deaths and the total number of people who have recovered. Now, in order to see what's happening here in our county, we're going to start by selecting this drop-down menu and clicking on Arizona, and then selecting our county, Yavapai. And the map will zoom in to our area here. We're going to click on Yavapai County to see important details. So here it tells us we have a total number of 70 confirmed cases with 1 death. And to get further statistics, we click on this. It'll take us to a separate page. And again, we can see that we have 70 confirmed cases compared to over 3,700 here in the state of Arizona. Now, our 70 confirmed cases are out of a total population of over 231,000, almost 232,000 people. And here in Yavapai County, we also have 43 ICU beds, which is kind of an important statistic also. If you look around, it gives you all kinds of other details, and they do update this daily. Sometimes you will see a little discrepancy between the number here and the number on the previous page because they update at different times. You can see in the lower left-hand corner what time these statistics are updated. But these are 2 pages that you will want to bookmark as you look for statistics in order to keep you and your family safe.